Hey everybody, thank you so much for choosing to watch Life's Magical Journey. I'm Life, and on this channel we talk all about my journey with being a deliberate creator, purposely using the law of attraction, and how that led to my spiritual journey. As most of you know, I am huge into bay leaves, and I most recently made bay leaf tea, so go check out my last video. And it was all in the same sitting, so we're gonna enjoy this tea while we talk about the benefits of ingesting bay leaves. So number one, bay leaves are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Number two, bay leaves have been proven to be useful in treatment of migraines. So if you suffer from migraines, that might be something you want to research and look into. Number three, bay leaf contains enzymes that help to break down proteins and help to digest food faster, which helps with indigestion. You know, they say one of the #1 causes of diseases is like our gut health. And so it's really important that we take care of that. I'm not even a tea drinker, but this tea tastes really good, and the fact that I know that it's healthy for me makes me want to drink it even more. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit like on the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna enjoy this tea.